Anyways, welcome back to another episode of Freestyle Friday. I'm your host. I'm the only one here. I'm Real Deal. I'm a music producer, independent rapper, boom bap all the way. That's what I do. And today is Friday, so I'll bring you another episode of Freestyle Friday. And the rules are super simple. Number one, make a boom bap beat. That's not a boom bap beat. Number two, freestyle. That's it. In the last episode, I said I was going to read the dictionary. I did not do that because I got distracted. I didn't get distracted. I forgot. Let me try again. But it's cool. I have it with me right now. Webster's New World Dictionary in my hand. And I'm just going to pick a random word. That's what I did last time. I picked a random word and I tried to come up with 4 bars. So I'm going to try to do that right now just to get the juices flowing. And then we're going to jump on and make the beat. So I guess today we have a couple more steps. Here we go. Trying to find one because the first one I saw was clap, but I feel like clap is like too obvious. All right, here we go. The word is indirect. Indirect, not straight. Hey, I'm indirect. I think I'm the funniest person I know, honestly. Like, no lie, I think I'm the funniest person I know. Anyways, not straight to the point. Dishonest. Indirect. Why you being indirect? Indirect. Why you being indirect? Gonna look me in the face, trying to show me disrespect. Indirect. Trying to pull it in effect. Indirect. In effect. Indirect. I need one more. Indirect. In effect. Trying to put it that. Indirect. Put it that. Indirect. In effect. My name is Real Deal and I like real meals. Let's go. Happy Friday, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy your weekend. By the way, Jackie's birthday is this weekend. Real, Freestyle Friday. It's Friday. Real Deal. Let's go. Why you acting so surprised with what I said? Why you acting like you didn't say it yesterday? You thought I wouldn't react, but I did. You thought I wouldn't think and shit, but I did. I lost my mind, I lost my nerve. You thought you were kidding, you got what you deserve. You thought you were fucking with the wrong one. Psych. You thought you were fucking with the wrong one. You thought you were fucking with somebody you can manipulate. You thought you were fucking with someone you can contemplate, but then you lost. You got in the right mode. You tried to find me like you knew what you was doing. All you did was stupid. You stupid. Don't try me unless you can't buy me. Okay, that was like whatever. That was honestly not too bad considering I didn't give myself a prompt. I just went for it. So I think for the next one, what I'm gonna do is, since I do have the dictionary with me, I got you. I'm gonna pick like a random word, and that's what I'm gonna do. Here we go. We're gonna pick a word. Let's go. Here we go. H. I was gonna look for one. Here we go. Heredity. The transmission of characteristics from parent to offspring by means of genes. Okay. Heredity. I hate that, like, I can't even, like, try to cheat. Because I should have, like, y'all can't see where I pointed at. I could have just, like, been like, and then said something else. I could have been like, okay, first of all, none of these words are helping. Heard probably would have been, or hear. Damn, I should have picked here. Heredity. All right, here we go. I have to think of something that rhymes with heredity. Heredity, paternity, heredity, heredity, eternity. Heredity, mad at me, empty me, tad at me, sad at me. We'll see. Real, Freestyle Friday. Let's get it. Dictionary, have my help. Let's get it. You can't stop me. Let's go. If you ask me why I'm the way I am, I'ma tell you that I get it from my mom and my dad. My dad is funny and my mama don't play. My dad is curry. My dad is straight. Between the two, this is what I got. A little cute, but a little hot. And a lot of things get to me, and I can't help it, baby. It's just heredity. It's in my veins to be a little stubborn. When I don't get the things that I want, the things that I desire, I come to conspire and I tend to perspire. I get in my vindictive era. I turn into a villain. You can't stop me, cause me, I'm straight chillin'. Leaving in the building with a lot of sweat, a lot of hate. Freestyle Friday, eh? That wasn't too bad. Let's do one more, and then we're done for the day. All right, we're gonna pick one more word. We picked from the beginning of the dictionary. Let's pick from the other half. Let's go. Bro, if I pick something with fucking Z or Y. Here we go. It's feeling like this. Okay, that's not bad. Spotlight. Spotlight's not bad. I think I can do spotlight. Real. Freestyle Friday. Let's get it. You can't stop me. Except for words. Wait. What was the word? Spotlight. Real. Freestyle Friday. Let's get it. My name is Real Deal, I'm a Gemini, hey. My name is Real Deal, I'm a Gemini, hey. My name is Real Deal, I'm a Gemini. My name is Real Deal, and I keep it fly. My name is Real Deal, I don't wanna be famous, I just wanna spit my rhymes, I just wanna keep it tight, I just wanna keep it right, I wanna do it all night. You can stop me, you can fly, you can farm it all night. Happy birthday to my little sis. It's someone that I can't resist. Happy birthday to my little sis, someone that I really admire. It's getting hot tonight. It's getting hot tonight. Hot like spotlight. Oh my God, I didn't say it the whole time. I was getting ready to lead up to spotlight and I didn't say it. Alright, everybody, that's the video. Let me know what you think of the bars. Let me know if I've gotten better. I feel it in the less ums. I feel it when there's more for me to say and it's not just I like it like this. Like in that last one I hesitated a lot and I said my name is Real Deal, I'm a Jonah 50 times. I set myself up for that. Because I was supposed to say something else and I set myself up for that. But anyways, let me know what you think of the beat. Let me know what you think of my bars. Have I gotten better? Is my freestyle flow better? Am I ready to battle anybody? Absolutely not. Anyways, for the next video, I'd like a suggestion from y'all. I need your help. So if y'all would comment 3 words you guys would like for me to use in my next Freestyle Friday video, I would greatly appreciate it. I would pick the best 3 ones, highlight you in the next video. That's all I got for y'all today. Please leave a shout out to my little sister Jackie. It's her birthday this weekend. She's turning 25. Happy birthday, Jackie. I love you. Guys, don't sleep on me. And listen to Suffocate. Later.